Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thanks so much for checking into the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. My name is Chase, and today we're in the mechanic shop, and we're actually in the middle of doing a full teardown and rebuild of a transmission for a Polaris XP1000. We thought this would be a great opportunity to share with you one of our favorite things to have in the shop that we think everybody should have, and it's just some monkey wipes. And let me tell you why you need to have some of these. We've all been there before. Whether you're working on your razor, your dirt bike, your mountain bike, your four-wheeler, whatever it might be, we've all been in that time when your hands are dirty. You've got grease, grime, dirt, oil all over them, and you take your shop rag. You can wipe your hands off, but you still have that residue left on your hands. And maybe your phone's ringing in the middle of a job and you can't answer your phone because you don't want to grab it with greasy, nasty hands, or even just go grab your doorknob. You don't want to do that. So in those situations, just use some monkey wipes. What's great about these, there's 25 that come in a can. There's also individual packets. I'll tell you why those are awesome here in just a second, but they're all natural. They're gonna clean up anything from dirt, grime, grease, oil, marker on the wall if you needed it for that too. So a lot of great uses for it. And again, you don't realize how nice these are to have until you need them. So if you're tired of working on something in the shop or maybe out on the trail, wherever it is, and then realizing that you've got dirty, nasty hands, you don't have a good way to clean them, these will help you out with that. What's nice about the individual packets is that, for our adventure rides, this is what we take. Instead of taking a whole canister or maybe trying to take some of these out and put them in a Ziploc bag, we just take, however many of these we think we'll need. We can put them in a tank bag, in the luggage. If you're a mountain biker, you can put it in your backpack. Dirt bikers, put it in your tool belt, whatever it might be. But it's just nice because, again, if you do find yourself, you do get your hands dirty for whatever reason, you're fixing something on the trail, now you have a clean, simple way to get your hands clean when you're all done. So again, if you work on your own stuff and you don't have some monkey wipes, you're missing out. Grab some today. They're about $7 for a can of 25, so it's a great, easy way. We ship for free over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for an item that get you that free shipping, pick some of these up. To grab some, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. If you like this video and you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest from Rocky Mountain, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and stay up to date. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.